2024 Kakawow Phantom, Warner Brothers. 2-box, random letter number 12. Good luck. 5 times on the dice. 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times on our contestants as well. Best of luck to everybody. Somebody, yeah, it's with somebody. I want somebody to love. Yeah. Somebody to love. Somebody. Yeah. Can you tell I don't know the lyrics? Because I definitely don't. 2024 Kaka. Wow. Oh, this says 2-box, but it's actually a 5-box break. It's just mislabeled. It's just mislabeled. It's a half caser. Sorry. I just realized it was mislabeled. With somebody love. And I think this is the other half. Is right here. Nice. It's the second half of the case. Let's go. All right. Well, are you, Ted? That's what she said. Ow. Let's hit Efro on the Draper, baby. Yes. Damn, this box is being difficult. Box number 17,230 out of 100,000. Being difficult. Only 2 more boxes to cut open, and then we can start showing the good stuff. With somebody. Penelope also. Penelope's in this, like Pepe Le Pew and Penelope. Porky Pig. There's definitely going to be some on the checklist that, like, we're not thinking of. All I know is it's got its own spot, dude. If it has its own spot, that means there's something good in there. If it's not a combo spot. Porky is pretty big, though. There's definitely some people that we're not thinking of. Parzival, yep. That's a good one from Ready Player One. Oh, Pebbles, that's right. Pinky from Pinky and the Brain. Pippin, yeah, no, yeah, your spot's fine. P-spot's, P-spot's good. I forgot about Pinky, man. Pinky and the Brain. Yeah, Pebbles is really good. Alright, just about ready to go here. All right. It's time for Warner Brothers, a full or a half a case, excuse me. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's time. I love this stuff, man. This stuff's really good. Good luck. Dorothy. Toodles. And Boo Boo Bear. Hey, Boo Boo. It's Boo Boo Bear. Hey. He's got a great voice. Hey, Boo Boo. Fred Jones. Final frame there from Friends. That'll go to the F. Friends. Down, 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 down. Who's got the friend spot? Mr. Barrett has the friend spot. There's the Flash Tweety. Kwame from Captain Planet. But this is going to go to the K spot. Sunbun. Captain Planet. Earth, Wind, Fire, Heart. I remember. Willy Wonka, Wildvine, Bilbo, Agent Smith, and a die cut of Sue Ellen Ewing. So that might be the theme of the die cuts from this case. I'm unfamiliar with Sue Ellen. What is she from again? Somebody help me out with Sue Ellen. Ooh, silver there. Eowyn, Velma. Cheetara. Cheetara on the silver. Thundercats, ho! What is this? Oh, we got one of those other cards. Lola Bunny. Oh, it's Parzival. Look at that. No way, we manifested it. The Shining Stage of Parzival to 888 for the P spot. Going to JDA. Parzival from Ready Player One. Oh, yeah. The P spot with a hit. Stripe from Gremlins. Victoria. Corpse Bride. Corpse Bride on the silver. We could do a pick your movie or pick your show with this stuff. We did write out the list. I would have to price it out. Friends, but we can do it. Would you guys want to do that? A pick your show / movie from Kakawow for Warner Brothers? I could do that. I could price it out. Spike on the silver. If you guys want it, I'll price it out. They gave me the list. I could do it. I feel like it works nicely as a random, but I don't mind pricing it out if you guys want to do it. There's Pebbles, by the way, on the base. And a blue Batman. That's sick. Batman for the Southern. You're on fire tonight, Southern. To 145. It's a blue Batman. These cards look really nice, by the way. You can kind of see on the monitor. They're like they have like a little bit of a nebula kind of glow to them. It's hard to explain, but nice hit, dude. Let's go. That's a good one. We're not in Kansas anymore, Toto. M5. Oh, Wile E. Coyote. That's sweet. A silver of the Coyote. W for the Raj. Let's go, Balraj. Wile E. Coyote on the silver. He's super cool. One of my absolute favorites. One of my absolute favorites. If I PC'd anything from this product, I would PC Roadrunner. Coyote would probably be my number 2. That's so cool. Princess Bubblegum. Who is that? Adventure something or other? Is that from Adventure? Adventureland? Final frame of Friends. FFF. The P spot is a hit. Flash, Tweety Bird, Solomon, and Bane. I heard he's getting his own thing. Bane's getting his own movie or show or something, right? Him and somebody else together. You guys were telling me about that last time. Die cut of Jake. Die cut of Jake. I don't know what Jake is from. I'm sorry. Don't hate me. Man, I love this stuff. It's just so clean looking. Cake. Cake on the silver. He looks like he's from the same thing as Jake, but Cake and Jake. I don't know if he is or isn't, but there's like some schmutz on the back of the card. Not anymore, because I wiped it off for you. Shining Stage. There's Lola again. Sue Ellen. Deathstroke. It's Roadrunner. Christina, I'm a buyer. I'll buy this from you if you want to sell it to me. Roadrunner on the Shining Stage. To 888. Meet. That's so pretty. I love these Shining Stage parallels. They look like the purple pixels from Platinum. I'm a buyer on the Roadrunner. Christina, if you're out there, when you watch this, just let me know. You could always come in the room. I'll buy it from you. I'll overpay for it. Stripe, Stinkfly, Finn, Mera on the silver. She looks like she's from Aquaman. I think she is from Aquaman. I know. I really want that Roadrunner. I'll PC Roadrunner. I'm a buyer on only Roadrunner. That's it. Oh, Animaniacs. Behind M1, who is like probably Charles Barkley or something, we have the Animaniacs. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Gotta check the checklist. I'm not sure if it's the Animaniacs or Animaniacs. Not sure if that goes to the T spot or the A spot. Bugs on the base. And Cindy Bear. It's Cindy Bear. On the silver. I should PC that for my wife. Her name is Cindy. Oh, we got a green. I think, isn't that to 20? Isn't that green to 20? That could be massive. Am I wrong? I think the green is to 20. Jessica Cruz on the color match to 20. Damn. Well, this ties for the lowest number card that we've seen, Gerald. We hit a one other green card, and that's it. This is literally the second green we've hit. This is the lowest. This is tied for the lowest numbered card that we've hit in all of the Kakawow so far. It's very, very tough to hit low numbered stuff. It's really cool on the color match. Very cool color match there. The J spot for IYC. It's Jessica Cruz, and it's to 20. Sizzle, I know you want this graded. IYC, send the email, please, okay? I know you want this graded, Sizzle. Send the damn email when you watch this break. I know you want this graded. IYC, when you see this, send the damn email, because I know you want this card graded. Nice Jessica Cruz there to 20. Incredibly difficult hit. We looked it up last time. I think greens come out 1 in 7 cases. We looked it up last time. I'm pretty sure it's 1 in 7 cases. This Jessica Cruz. Sick. Great hit there for the sizzle. Three boxes left. Let's get it. Silver of Wily Cat. Is it Willy Cat or Wily Cat? It's got to be Wily Cat. Don't know what he's from. A final frame here of Friends. A lot of the final frames are Friends, but this is I feel like most of the parallels, they have a theme within the case. So we have a lot of Friends final frames, some Animaniacs as well. We are the Animaniacs. Mohawk from the Gremlins. Mohawk. They scared me when I was a little kid. Mohawk on the silver. Die cut of Finn. Die cut of Finn. F spot for Mr. Barrett. Oh, shit. What is this? This might be even better. This might be even better than the green. What is this? Is this gold? It's Black Adam. That is crazy gorgeous. Look at that Black Adam for Southern. It is indeed to 10. 2 out of 10. This is, how beautiful is this card? Come on. How gorgeous is this card? That is beautiful, man. Me take a picture and you should 1,000,000% get this graded. I mean, if you get it graded, I can't imagine there's another one graded yet. This will be a pop 1, no? Super sick. He does look like The Rock for a reason. I believe wasn't he played by The Rock? Wasn't he played by The Rock? In the movie? Or the show or in the movie, right? I almost wrote The Rock, by the way, on the card, on the, like, he requests grading on a Rock, 2 out of 10. Yeah, it's definitely The Rock. It is definitely The Rock. It is definitely Dwayne Johnson. Sick. What a freaking 5-boxer. We're at the halfway mark, too. We still have more heat to come. Great, 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 great 5-boxer here. There's the brain. No. No way. Mr. Barrett is asleep. But tell me this isn't one of the coolest cards we've seen yet. I'm a buyer on the Roadrunner, and I know that IYC is a buyer on Marvin the Martian. I believe IYC wants to PC Marvin the Martian. How cool is that? It's Marvin the Martian. That is so freaking cool. Mr. Barrett will be very happy. Mr. Barrett will be very happy. He's got a great Marvin the Martian. Fred Flintstone, the F spot, Mr. Barrett. The other Barrett, from one Barrett to another Barrett. As Jay-Z says, from the X one to the next one. Marvin the Martian. What is this? Final frame of Friends. Dun, 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 dun. Excuse me. Porky Pig base and then excuse me. Killy. Killy? Killy. I don't know who Killy is. Blue. I'm Blue. Eiffel 65. Good luck. It's Shoto from Ready Player One. The S spot, IYC with another nice one. To 145 on the blue. It's Shoto. Silver of Wheeler from Captain Planet. Friends. Final frame. Mumra. Mumra. On the silver. Mumra. Die cut of BMO. He looks like an NFT. He looks like a freaking NFT of some sort. BMO. The B spot, the Southern. Gizmo. Gizmo from the Gremlins. Gizmo on the silver. Ooh, we found the G spot for a new collector? How about that? Not an easy spot to find. What is... Oh, we got a mashup. We got our first mashup of the case. All right, let's go. It's a mashup. Sylvester as Superman. IYC gets Sylvester as Superman. To $5.99 there. That's so cool. The case is dirty, but the card is clean. The mashups are awesome, man. Look at that cape. The tail sticking out of the cape. Sylvester is suffering Thuckatash, no? Pip, Morpheus, Karen, Gray Matter, and then Fiona, I believe from Adventureland on the silver. J.R. Ewing, Green Arrow. Oh, that's right, from Green Arrow, not Green Lantern, right? Oh no, maybe it is Green Lantern. No, it is Green Lantern. What am I talking about? Friends on the final frame. What you talking about with us? It's getting late, sorry. Just over a box left, but there's definitely going to be a couple of good cards in here, at least. Maybe 2-3 good cards. Let's see what they are. Let's go digging for them. I love the quality of these cards. They're so unique. They're like nicer than base cards, but they're just different. It's hard. It's like weird. They're like a base card with like a glossy chrome thing, like a clear acetate thing glazed over on top. There's like chrome in these cards. It's hard to describe. Aquaman on the silver. We got the girl earlier. Now we're gonna get Aquaman. The Joker. I did look at the checklist. This is gonna go to the T spot. Christina gets this card. I did look at the checklist. I'm pretty sure that the T spot, it says the Joker. The Joker. Oh no, Sarah. I mean, you could sleep. I have an extra bedroom upstairs you can sleep in if you want. I have an extra bedroom. You know that. It's furnished. If you need a place to crash, Sarah, you can crash upstairs in the extra bedroom. Tasmanian Devil. Diamond Head on the silver. Whoa. Whoa, cards almost went flying. One base card was stuck in that pack. Wow, that was close. Batgirl, and then Friends on the final frame. Dino. M5, Buddy on the Will Ferrell silver. Going to Southern. Die cut. Artemis there. It's Gloin? I don't know how to pronounce this guy's name. I guess it's Gloin. From Lord of the Rings and the die cut, the G spot. We found it for new. Agent Smith. Mr. Anderson. Agent Smith for Ash. All right, they've been so good so far. The Shining stages have been so good so far. We have Parzival, Roadrunner, and Marvin the Martian. I feel like they're going to give us another Ready Player One, but maybe they'll give us another Looney Tunes. Maybe it'll be something else. Good luck. It is Artemis. I could have guessed that, right? It just felt like it was going to be another Ready Player One, and we already hit Parzival, so if I guessed, I would have guessed just Artemis. Let's go. The A spot for Ash. She's a phenomenal character in Ready Player One. I absolutely adore the movie Ready Player One. When I first watched it, I was blown away. He doesn't make any bad movies. Spielberg, right? I believe that's Spielberg. He doesn't make any bad movies. Ready Player One absolutely slapped. I enjoyed the hell out of that movie. I've seen it multiple times. I'll turn that movie on and show people the race scene in the beginning of the movie, towards the beginning of the movie. The scene where Artemis first takes off her helmet at the end of the race, right? When he jumps and pulls her off the motorcycle. that racing scene, I just think it's so dope. It's so cool to me that Spielberg was allocated some insane amount of money when he made Ready Player One, and he literally decided right away, he was like, you know what? I'm not going to spend any money on these egotistical actors. I'm going to save all the money for the CGI. And he, like, poured money into the CGI. And he didn't spend money on big-name actors. And it showed, because the CGI was amazing in Ready Player One. I absolutely loved Ready Player One. Such a great movie. Penelope. Buddy again, and then Bilbo on the silver. Lord of the Rings. The B spot for the Yan dog. It's strong, Southern, for sure. Very strong. All right, we got a final frame here. Superman, Cyborg, Bilbo. We are the Animaniacs. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Second Animaniacs for the A spot. I believe the A spot for Ash, but it might be the. But I think it's whatever it is in the checklist. 2 packs left. Let's finish strong. Let's find a spicy meatball in this last or next to last pack. Betty Rubble, and then Stargirl behind herself on the silver. Usually don't see that with Kakawow. That's uncommon. And the last pack. I do like the weapons that they use. What is this? Maybe something pretty good here. Let's see. I'm not sure. Is this a fireworks? I think we have a fireworks. I think it's a fireworks! Let's go. All right. Fireworks are number 2, 100. Good luck. I think it's a fireworks. Yes, yes, yes. They're beautiful, too. To 100... It's Naomi. Naomi numbered to 100, going to Ash and the N spot. 93 of a hundo. You really got to give credit where credit is due, and Kakawow makes beautiful looking parallels. Even the base silvers out of the previous Kakawows, but like these fireworks cards are great. They're beautiful. They did, like these blues. These look ridiculous. Like the whole, it's just a beautiful, the gold, the green. They did an amazing job with this product. They did. The shining stages, those are sweet as shit. I love this product. I really am. This product, I like it more and more every single time we open it. It's just so good. It's so good. Here's a recap. Silvers. Wile E. Coyote. Booble Bear. Here are the final frames. Animaniacs, Friends. A lot of Friends and a couple Animaniacs. A lot of Friends. F spot is a good spot to have. And then the die cuts. Gloin, BMO, Finn, Jake, and Sue Ellen. And then Marvin the Martian on the shining stage. Roadrunner, I'm a buyer. If you want to sell this to me, Christina, I'll overpay you for it. Meet me. Thank you, Ted. Much love. Good night, my friends. And then Parzival on the shining stage. Artemis on the shining stage. Sylvester as Superman on the mashup. The Joker here. Shoto and Batman on Batman. to 145 on the blue. Naomi to 100 on the fireworks. Jessica Cruz color match, that's to 20. These are 1 in 7 cases. And this is a gold of Black Adam to 10. These are 1 in 15 cases. I beat the sort on these two in the grading department. Yandog and IYC, send the damn emails. These are going out to grading. And that was 5 boxes of Kakawow Warner Brothers random letter number 12 from this year. Awesome new product. We're really enjoying it. Thank you everybody for watching and participating in that break. Congrats if you got some love, and I'm sorry if you missed. Thank you.